Hello everybody, Steven Jonder here from GonnaGeek.com, here with another unboxing. This is going to be another short one because we're looking at the Centralite 3 Series micro door sensor. So if we look at the box here, you can see there's information on here, and in the box there is a door sensor, quick start guide, and mounting hardware. Okay, good to know. It looks like it also uses CR2450 batteries, which do come pre-installed. So we will have a look to see if you can switch those out. On the bottom, you have all sorts of information, works with SmartThings, Wink, and it is a Zigbee certified product. So let's see how I get into this now. I don't think there was tape on here. Let's see. No, there is. So where's the tape? There's, oh, wait, no, I'm wrong. There we go. All right, that's where the sticker is. Go ahead and open it. All right, so right at the top, we have the instructions. So it's, again, looks like, I don't know if you saw the unboxing, but there's also an unboxing for the smart outlet, but it also is saying, hi, I'm a door sensor, just like the outlet did. And there's some information all about how to install it. So lots of information there. And wow, this is a lot smaller than I anticipated. I have to say, I did not think this was going to be this small. This is quite tiny. I'm going to go ahead and put this down for a second so that we can actually compare this. So let me put this down and then I'll just, cut this out here so that I can just run off, grab something so that we can actually see the size. All right, and I'm back. And what I thought would be a good comparison is actually a SD card. So you can see the size of this. Quite small. That is impressively small. I have a few door sensors around. I am impressed with how tiny this is. It's much smaller than some of the other ones I've used. Kudos on that, Centralite. Kudos. I'll move the SD card out of the way. Underneath, looks like there is the mounting hardware, it sounds like. Yes, here we go. You have the mounting hardware, and I'm not sure how that all works. I guess we'll find out after. I think this is the actual, yeah, there we go. So this is going to be the part that somehow links up like that. So essentially one goes on the one side, one goes on the other. And when they connect, that's essentially the sensor mechanism. So like if your door is swinging open, I think that makes sense. But anyhow, I cannot believe how small it is. And really there isn't anything else to show in this, but that is going to do it for the Centralite micro door sensor. When they say micro, they definitely mean it. If you do like stuff like this, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and please check out the geeky content at GonnaGeek.com. We greatly appreciate your feedback over there.